Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own gallery wall. Gallery walls are a very simple and exciting way to introduce personality, color, pattern, shape into your space. I do gallery walls in majority of my projects because I just love how they look, and there's a specific way I love doing it and I cannot wait to share that with you. Okay guys, so when creating your gallery wall, the first thing you need to do is measure. So you need to choose which area of the wall you're going to place your gallery wall, and then you need to just measure that area just so you know when you're picking out your prints, you pick the correct sizes. So I've just chosen the wall that's just directly beside the stairs because I want the gallery wall to kind of go up the stairs just a bit, you know, to kind of lead your eye up and maybe it's a bit more welcoming and a bit more like exciting. So that's where I'm going to place my gallery wall. Okay guys, so once your wall is measured, I personally like to sketch out before I go and purchase the prints, just so I have a better idea of what exactly I want the finished result to look like. It just makes the whole process of picking out frames a lot easier. And once I've sketched my ideas and what I want, I then go and look for frames. I normally go on sites like Desenio or like maybe H&M or, you know, depending on the look you're going for, maybe IKEA, you know, because you don't want it to cost the world. So I prefer looking on more affordable sites and then invest in maybe more in the actual prints. Then once I know exactly what I'm doing and I'm looking for prints, it can be a bit overwhelming trying to figure out, will this size work, will I do this size? So what I like to do is I like to go and open up Photoshop or SketchUp, whatever kind of planner thing you have, and I measure out the size of the frames I'm hoping to purchase and then just see how they all slot together and if they'll fit in with the overall dimensions I measured of the space. Then it's time to order and wait. And once your frames have arrived and they're ready to go, all you have to do now is just put them up on the wall. With gallery walls, I think it's really important when you're placing them that the majority of it is eye level. It's okay to go below eye level when you're doing a gallery wall because there's so many prints. If you had the lowest one at eye level, it would be too high. If you had the highest one at eye level, it would be too low. So I like to kind of keep the center line at eye level and just have like smaller and bigger prints above the line and below the line and kind of intersecting the line just to keep it interesting. Okay guys, and that's how to create your very own gallery wall. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know all your thoughts down below. Are you going to try this? I'd love to know. And if you do, please tag me. I'd love to see it on your Instagram post, or if you want to email me images, whatever you want to do. With that being said guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.